This black leisure electric cooker is perfect if you're looking for a traditional-looking model with excellent cooking features. It has both an A energy rating for the 65-litre main electric fan oven and the medium-sized 35-litre electric grill, so you'll have lots of cooking space while still being kind to the environment. The electric fan oven provides a fast, effective and energy-efficient way to cook your food. The fan moves warm air around the cavity so that heat is spread evenly across all shelves with no transference of flavours. This oven also features a handy grill setting, which will give those lasagnas the perfect crispy topping, meaning you'll be able to prepare starters, main courses and desserts together, while your food will always have the perfect finish. This cooker has a ceramic hob, which makes it especially easy to keep clean. Because the surface is so smooth, any food splashes can be easily wiped away once the cooking zones have cooled down. So, not only does it look great, but it's really simple to keep clean and maintain. If you want a traditional-looking model with excellent cooking features, this brilliant quality black electric cooker from Leisure is the one for you.